What's up guys, CC here. Welcome or welcome back to the channel. Welcome if you're new. If you're not new, Wagwan YouTube family, welcome back guys. Let's get into today's vlog. Hey guys, welcome back. So we just got dressed. We're going to dinner at the sugar factory that's in Bahamar. This is my first time going there, but I been want to go. It's supposed to be a cute vibe, but we're going for a graduation dinner for her. Is her cousin? Yeah, for one of her younger cousins that just graduated from primary school. So yes, I was there getting ready for like an hour or two, just trying on clothes, trying to figure out what I want to wear, and I'm like, I don't know what to wear. I just threw this top on, pair it with some black jeans, and that's it. Call it a day. I was gonna wear black and white, but that top, it wasn't giving what I wanted to give, so I ended up changing the outfit. I didn't know what to do with my hair, but feel good. Okay, we're on property. Now we gotta find the restaurant. This property is always nice and clean. It's upkeep. It's so pretty. Palm trees everywhere. Beautiful, beautiful. Let's go eat some good food. Dancing on my arm. This is a beautiful view, guys. Look how beautiful this place is. I'm trying to show you guys around so you could take in the scenery. Like, I love it. Beautiful. We should have called them. I don't know why we didn't call them when we go in. I need the name.
My bro just looked at that. He's saying, I gotta take freshman. I gotta tell you, I never been a fighter now.
Welcome to the land of remixes. Oh. So we're just checking out the drink menu. They have some nice, beautiful looking, just exotic drinks, and yes, they look good, but they're so expensive. These look really good, but let's see what we're gonna get into tonight. Okay, so this is the grad girl. She will be going to high school in a few months. Look how tiny she looked. But yes, she got a drink as a part of her celebration, and the vibes was lit. Trying to get the aesthetic. It's so pretty. So the food finally came, and I ordered some fish tacos and fries. It also came with beans and rice. Pretty awkward combo, but yeah, that's what I ordered. The vibes in this restaurant is a whole mood. Like, if you want to relax and have a nice quiet dinner out, this is not the place for you. They have the lights going, they have the music going, and the songs that they're playing are current, and they're not playing the clean version, which is surprising. But it looks like a lot of people come here to celebrate. It's like a party restaurant. You go there to celebrate birthdays, anniversaries, graduation, just whatever. And it seems like everyone was celebrating something tonight. The celebration continued. They brought out this nice treat bowl for the kids filled with cupcake, ice cream, cookies, candy, everything you could think of, and the whole flaming action that's going on. It was so cute. She definitely enjoyed her graduation dinner. We wish her the best as she transitioned to high school. She looked pretty tiny, she looked pretty small, but she'll be fine. Okay, guys, we just finished dinner and it was pretty disappointing. It wasn't good at all. Everything tastes bad, down to the bread. And you know, bread is bread. Like, come on. The bread tastes bad. I got fish tacos. Tacos taste bad. The tortillas that they use tasted horrible. It was corn tortillas. Yeah, the fish was alright, but everything else horrible. And the taco come with rice and beans. Like, okay, the rice tastes bad, the beans taste bad. I ate the food because it was expensive. Okay, can't waste money, but I sure won't be coming back. The place is pretty and fancy and all that, but Sugar Factory, Bahamar, you won't be seeing me no more. Expensive with taste bad food. Come on. Anyways, everything else was good. The vibes was good. Enjoy time with family and friends, and her graduation dinner, she enjoyed it. This is the next day. This is just leftover I got from the Sugar Factory. This cute bag. I barely brought anything. What did I bring home? I think some fries. Yeah, some fries and fried plantain. And this is some drinks I had left over from last night as well. I like the cup. It's cute. I ordered fruit punch, but it was sweet. It was so sweet. I put water on it. Still, I couldn't finish it. But the drinks there, they're so pretty, but they're expensive. Like $40 something for a drink. Like, I should use my hard-earned $50 and buy a drink. No thanks. No. Anyways, guys, yeah. See y'all later.